Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So students, in our previous session, the previous two sessions, we have started with the topic pattern. Okay, that is our chapter number 15. Okay, and today again I am here with you all to start with the same topic, to continue with the same topic, that is pattern. So I will just write on the topic here, that is pattern. Chapter number is 15. This is the chapter number and the topic is pattern. This is the topic, that is pattern. So what is the meaning of pattern? That I have already told you, that some kind of design. Okay, so there are three types of patterns. There is geometrical pattern, alphabetical patterns, okay, other than that number patterns, and the addition pattern in addition and subtraction. So in the yesterday's session we have already discussed two examples, that how we are going to find out the patterns if they are already given. Again today we are going to start with one more example of the pattern. Okay, so that is given at page number 175. Okay, the page number is 175. So as we can see here, a figure is given which is drawn like this. So there's a circle given there, so I'm just drawing the circle. Okay, so this is a kind of a circle that is given. Okay, that is given in that. After that it is divided into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. फिर इसको 8 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है. 2 4 6 8. So it is divided into 8 parts. Okay, and in the middle it is written. बीच में क्या लिखा हुआ है? What is written in the middle? So in the middle it is written 12. बीच में क्या लिखा हुआ है? 12. So 12 is written in the middle. Okay, and you can see, so various digits are already written there. So here it is 68. Here it is 25. Then 72, 7, 80. One is blank and this is 60. So देखिए हमारे पास ये pattern that is already given in the book. Okay, and you have to find out these two. आपको ये दोनों जो empty places हैं इनको आपको ढूंढना है. Okay, so you have to find out these two empty places. So what will come in these two empty places by following the pattern? तो इस pattern को follow करते हुए इन दोनों खाली जगहों पे क्या आएगा? Okay, that we have to find out. Okay, so now, okay, as you can see here it is 12. यहाँ पे 12 दिया है. बाकी सारे number except 7 are bigger than 12. So all the numbers except 7 is bigger than 12, and हमें मतलब this figure denotes that here we are following such kind of pattern जिसको follow करते हुए सबका आंसर कितना आ रहा है? 12. या somehow that 12 is related to all these digits. Okay, तो in this pattern देखिए ऐसे the 12 is written in the middle. तो middle में क्या लिखा हुआ है? 12. So that means here we are following such any pattern कि जिसको चारों तरफ से अगर हम कोई भी तरह से कैलकुलेशन करें, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन, कुछ भी अगर करते हैं, so somehow the 12 will be there only. Now the question is that what pattern we are following here? तो हम यहाँ पे pattern कौन सा follow कर रहे हैं? This is the question here. Okay, so as you can see 12 is here. It is 80, 60, 7, 22. All these numbers except 7 is bigger than 12. Okay, so now first of all we can you find out that any kind of multiplication pattern is followed here? तो देखिए कोई भी आपस में multiplication pattern follow हो रहा है? No. Any division? No. अगर हम 12 को, ठीक है, addition, okay, 68 plus 12, that will be 80. 25 plus 12 that will be here. तो देखिए now they are following the pattern. Okay, तो 72 plus 12 that will be 60. No, वो तो हो ही गया, that is गलत हो गया. अगर हम 60 plus 12 that will be 72. ये भी हो सकता है. So but how we will calculate कि मतलब ऐसे जाना है या ऐसे जाना है, तो एडिशन भी इसमें नहीं होगा. Next is the subtraction. Now you can find out that can we follow the subtraction in this? So 80 minus 12 that is 68. 72 minus 12 that is 60. तो अभी हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. 80 minus 7. अगर हमने 80 में से 7 को माइनस किया that will be 80 minus 7 will be 73. कहीं 73 है? No. Next 80 minus 72. 80 minus 72 will be 8. 8 है कहीं पे? No. तो that means ये पैटर्न में फॉलो नहीं हो रहा. Next 80 minus 25. 80 minus 25 that will be 55. तो ये पैटर्न कहीं है? No. This is also not falling anywhere. Last is 80 minus 68. 80 minus 68 is 12. So कोई भी पैटर्न यहां फॉलो हो रहा है? Yes. तो इसके 80 minus 68 that is 12. वो हमारा आ रहा है, तो that is correct. चलिए नेक्स्ट लेते हैं 80 minus 60. Okay, the last is 80 minus 60 is equal to 20. 20 है कहीं? No. So that means यहाँ पे जो हमारा आंसर आ रहा है that is, अगर हम 80 में से 68 को माइनस करेंगे that will be 12. ओके, सो अभी हम इसमें क्या लिखेंगे? 80 minus 68. ओके, एक बार हम ये रफली लिख रहे हैं. 80 minus 68 is 12. 80 minus 68 is 12. Now अब 7 में से कुछ माइनस करेंगे तो 12 आएगा? नो. चलिए ना, वी विल गो टू द 72. तो 72 minus 25. सो ये कितना आएगा? 70 minus 25, 50, 45, 43. ओके, नेक्स्ट 72 minus 68 that will be 8, 4. ये भी नहीं है, ये भी कहीं भी 12 नहीं आया. 72 minus 60 that is 12, जो कि हमारा रिक्वायर्ड है. दैट इज द रिक्वायर्ड वन. तो अच्छा ये देखिए, एक हमारा ये आया एंड द सेकेंड वन वाज इज दिस, जिनको की कैलकुलेशन करके वी जस्ट गॉट द 12. सो दैट मीन्स 80 minus 68 is 12. 72 minus 60 is 12. So while observing this pattern, we have concluded कि अगर हम इसके ऑपोजिट नंबर से उसको माइनस करेंगे so then you will get the answer that is 12. So if we subtract two opposites number given in this circle, then you will get 12. So देखिए 72 minus 60 is 12, 80 minus 68 is 12, और 25 के ऑपोजिट कुछ नहीं है, 7 के ऑपोजिट कुछ नहीं है. So that means 25 में से हमें ऐसा डिजिट माइनस करना होगा कि जिसका आंसर आए 12, या कोई ऐसा डिजिट में से 25 को माइनस करें जिसका आंसर आए 12. तो देखिए सबसे पहले हमने क्या निकाला था? 80 minus 68 is equal to 12. नेक्स्ट 72 minus 60 is equal to 12. Okay, last here it is 7. So 7 में हम क्या करेंगे? 7 में 12 प्लस करिए, that will be 19. कितना आया? 19. So 19 minus 7 will be 12. 19 minus 7 will be 12. Next is 25, जिसके ऑपोजिट कोई डिजिट नहीं है. इसमें हम करेंगे प्लस 12. So that will be 47. कितना आया? 47. Sorry, 37, not 47. 37. Okay, so 37 minus 25, that will be 12. So here we are following the pattern in which we are subtracting the two opposite digits, and the answer we will get is 12 only. So in this case 19 minus 7 is 12. Okay, 37 minus 25. 37 minus 25 is also 12. So that means in this question we are following the pattern subtraction of two opposite numbers. In this we are following, in this we are following the pattern in which we are following the pattern of subtracting two opposite numbers. So this is the pattern that we are following in this question. तो देखिए question दिया हुआ था, this simple the question was given, okay, and while observing the pattern आपको क्या बताना था कि जो बाकी दो empty places थे, that is this one and this one, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, but you have to keep in mind the pattern they are following in the rest. तो बाकी जो नंबर्स जो डिजिट्स हैं उनको ध्यान रखते हुए कि उसमें वो क्या पैटर्न फॉलो कर रहे हैं, आपको ये और ये आंसर निकालना था. ओके, सो देखिए, सो हमने क्या किया इन दिस, हमने क्या किया, तो देखिए 80 माइनस 68 वॉज 12, दैट वॉज गिवन. 72 माइनस 60 वॉज गिवन. तो 19 माइनस 7, दैट इज जो मैंने 19 माइनस 7 विल बी 12. 37 minus 25, that will be also 12. So here we are following the pattern of subtracting two opposite numbers given in the circle. Clear? So this is the one of the topic from the pattern in addition and subtraction. So you can just pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, bache? So just note it down in your notebooks. Okay. Now moving next to the one of the more question. Okay, so let's do some more examples for pattern before starting with the exercise. So एक pattern करने से पहले देखिए, this is a pattern is a very interesting topic. तो pattern एक बहुत ही interesting topic है जब तक आप इसको enjoy करते हो. ठीक है, pattern में आपको बहुत इस तरह का गेम, तो जिसमें आपको करते हुए you have just to follow a game. तो just do it very heartedly and you मतलब दिल से करिए and you will just love it because it's just like a game that you're following. कि इसमें आपको reasoning, this is kind of reasoning that you are doing. Okay, let's do, okay class, so let's do next topic, next question. Okay, so just I'm just writing it here, just listen. So this is the question now that what I'm writing here. It is 1 2, sorry, it needs a space little bit. Okay, so here it is 1 2 1. Okay, 3 1 1. Okay, 4 6 4 1 and 1. So this is the pattern that is being followed in this. So now we have to observe that what kind of pattern that is followed here. तो यहाँ पे हमें observe करना है कि अब यहाँ पे कौन सा pattern वो follow कर रहे हैं. So देखिए, while observing this, देखिए, so if you say कि यहाँ पे 1 पे 2 1 बढ़ गए, then 2 पर 3 बढ़ गया, then 1 1, then it's 6. यहाँ पे 4 4 होना चाहिए था, but here it is 6. So now you have to observe that what kind of pattern being followed in this question. तो इस क्वेश्चन में देखिए कौन सा पैटर्न फॉलो हो रहा है, जस्ट पे देखिए ध्यान से. तो देखिए 1 is here, here it is 1 2 1. Now here it is 1 3 3 1. So as you can see, after adding this 1 and this 2, you will get 3. After adding this 2 and 1, you will get 3. Okay, 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 1, that is 4. So that means ये क्या कर रहे हैं? So in this pattern they are adding the two numbers and their sum is written here. Well, इन दोनों को ऐड करके इनका सम यहाँ लिखा, that is 1 plus 2 is 3, that is written here. After that 2 plus 1, that is 3, that is also written here. उसके बाद they have just written 1 here and 1 here. Okay. Again in the fourth step, again they have added 1 and 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, तो ये तीनों हमारे आ गए. Now 1 is here, another 1 is here. Okay, next, now adding this 1, 4. 1 plus 4, that is 5. 4 plus 6, that is 10. Okay, 1 plus 4, 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. Then 6 plus 4, 10, 4 plus 1, 5. तो देखिए अब हमने क्या किया, here we have added the two numbers once again. 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 plus 6, 10, 6 plus 4, that is 10, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is the pattern that is being followed here. तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि यहाँ पे कौन सा पैटर्न फॉलो कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो नाउ यू हैव टू डू, तो देखिए आपको ये स्टेप फॉलो करते हुए पैटर्न बनाना है. ओके, सो हियर नाउ आफ्टर एडिंग द 1 plus 4 it is 5, 4 plus 6 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, 4 plus 1 is 5. Now the next is, इसी में देखिए you have to add 1 on the both sides. You have to add 1 on the both sides. You have to add 1 on the both sides. Clear? Now let's add 1 and 5. 1 5 is 6. 5 plus 10, 15. 10 plus 10, 20. 10 plus 5, 15, and 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, 1 plus 5 is 6, 5 plus 10 is 15, 10 plus 10 is 20, 10 plus 5 is 15, and 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, so now after that you have to put 1 on the both sides. Okay, so आपको उसके बाद दोनों साइड्स पे क्या लगाना है, 1. Okay, you have to do this pattern up to step 8. Okay, follow this pattern, up to step 8. Follow this pattern up to step 8. Okay, now 1 plus 6, 7. Okay, 6 plus 15, 21. Okay, 15 plus 20. 15 plus 20 is 35. Next, 20 plus 15. 20 plus 15 is 35. Next, 15 plus 6, 21. And 6 plus 1 is 7. After that, we have to write 1 on the both sides. तो देखिए ये क्या करें by मतलब the adding. Okay, so here we are adding one number for the 2 times. यहाँ हम 2 numbers, इस number को देखिए इधर भी add कर रहे हैं and we are adding it here as well. So here we are adding 1 number at 2 times, but with other. तो यहाँ पे एक ही number को 2 बार add कर रहे हैं, but at both the times we are using different digits with which we are adding it. ठीक है, तो so we are adding these numbers 2 times. Okay, one number, sorry. Is देखिए, I'll just take the example of this. So here 6 we are adding it with 1 and we got 7. Here again we are adding this 6 with 15 and we got 21. So this is how we are adding it. Okay, so this is how we are adding it. Okay, so देखिए we have to follow this pattern up to step 8. तो step 8 तक देखिए कितने steps हो गए, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here it is only 7 step. अभी तक 7 steps हुए हैं, बाकी भी करते हैं. Okay, only one more step is here. So again 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 is, just a second, 1 plus 7 is 8. 7 plus 21, 28. Okay, 1 plus 7 is 8. 7 plus 21 is 28. 21 plus 35. Now we have to add 21 with 35. So that will be 56. 21 plus 35, that will be 56. Next, 35 plus 35. Now we have to add these two, that is 35 plus 35 will be 70. Next, 35 plus 21, that will be 56. Next, 21 plus 7. 21 plus 7, that is 28. Okay, and 7 plus 1, that is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. So again we are going to put 1 on the both sides. So this is the pattern that we are following in this. Okay, so इसमें हम क्या करें, we are just adding the two numbers, sorry, one number for the two times, and when we are adding with it with another number, so at दोनों time पे हम अलग अलग numbers है जो use कर रहे हैं. Okay, so here we are adding this 1 and 2, we got 3, 2 and 1, 3. Again 1 1 on the both sides. Next 1 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4, and 1 on the both sides. Clear? Next again 1 plus 4 is 5, 4 plus 6 10, 6 plus 4 10, 4 plus 1 5. Okay, now adding 1 on the both sides. Okay, next, okay, 1 plus 5 is 6, 5 plus 10 15, 10 plus 10 20, 10 plus 5 15, 5 plus 1 6. Now again adding 1 on the both sides. Okay, 1 plus 6 7, 6 plus 15 21, 15 plus 20 35, 20 plus 15 35, 15 plus 6 21, 6 plus 1 7. Now adding 1 on the both sides. दोनों साइड हम 1 लिख देंगे. Clear? Next 1 plus 7 8, 7 plus 21 28, 21 plus 35 56, 35 plus 35 70, 35 plus 21 56, 21 plus 7 28, 7 plus 1 8, and 1 on the both sides. So this is the pattern that we are following in this sum. Okay, so देखिए, as you can see that it is kind of game. Okay, you can just see that. देखिए जो पैटर्न होता है that this is just like a game. तो बड़ा मजा आता है. अब आपका मन करेगा बेटा इसमें और कितने सारे कर सकते हैं. देखिए, so by following this pattern you are just playing a game as well, and along with that you are learning how to add numbers. So you are adding the numbers as well. So here in this pattern you are learning the numbers, how to add two numbers, and the second one that after adding two numbers you are just following the pattern as well. So देखिए कितना सुंदर, देखने में कितना सुंदर pattern लग रहा है. Okay, so this is the solution. You can just pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay beta, just note it down in your notebook. चलिए next. Okay, now we are going to start with the exercise first of our this chapter, that is exercise 15.1. So So now we are going to start with the exercise 15.1. So now we are following this, that is 15.1. Okay, so this is the exercise that I am following here. Chaliye. Now in the exercise 15.1 you can see, observe the patterns and fill in the placeholders. Observe the patterns and fill in the placeholders. So let's, okay, so the question is observe the patterns, observe the patterns and fill in the place holders. Observe the pattern and fill in the place holder. So now we are going to, in the book there different type of patterns is given in the different question. तो देखिए आपके book में हर question पे, in each question you will find different type of patterns is given and you have to observe that pattern and आपको उस जो पैटर्न दिए हुए हैं, you have to observe it. After that you have to solve the rest of the sums. Okay, so the first one is, so here we can see how many boxes are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 boxes are here. 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, 7 8, okay, so one more that I'll draw here, that is 9. So 9 boxes are here, given here. So what are the numbers that is written? The first is 5, then 15, 25, 35, 45. So here the numbers up to 55 actually, and here it is 55. So here the numbers up to 55 is given. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. So these are the numbers up to which that is given in your book in this pattern. Okay, now by observing that, what you conclude? आप इसको जब observe करो, देख रहे हो क्या देख रहे हो? 5 के बाद 15. So that means we are adding 10. इसमें हमने 5 plus 15 मतलब plus 10. 15 से 25 that is also plus 10. 25 to 35 plus 10. 35 to 45 plus 10. 45 to 55 plus 10. So here we are adding 10. So that means now in these also we have to add 10 on 10 on 10. Okay. So 55 plus 10, that is 65. 65 plus 10, that will be 75. And 75 plus 10, that will be 85. So here we are following the pattern of adding 10. Okay, 10, 10, 10 हम add करते जा रहे हैं. So here we are following the pattern of adding 10. Okay. So this was the first one. Moving next to the second one. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again 9 triangles are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so the 9 triangles are given. So the numbers that are written in this triangle are 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. So देखिए यहाँ पे क्या पैटर्न फॉलो हो रहा है. Here it is 2, then it's 4, then it's 6. Again it's 2, 4 and 6. So that means they are repeating after every 2, 4 and 6 they are repeating. 2 के बाद 4, फिर 6, then again 2, 4, 6. So they are repeating again and again. So that means what will come here? That will be 2, 4 and 6 only. Okay, so here we are following the pattern of repeating the numbers after 2. Clear? So this was some, 2 sums from the exercise 15.1. Rest of the sums we will do in our next sessions. Okay, so this was our today's session class. So I hope that you enjoyed it. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a good day.